Good morning, students. I hope you all are keeping well and following the SOPs to overcome this global pandemic. Students, I warmly welcome you all to your new class 6 and to this new academic year. My name is Alexander Ismat and I will be teaching you maths for this academic session. This is your mathematics textbook which we will use for this academic year. The name of this book is New Countdown, 2nd edition, Oxford New Countdown. Okay students, you have to maintain a register of 300 pages in which we will do all the maths work, right? So if you'll go for the online class, whatever work we do in the online class, you have to do all that work in your maths registers, right? So kindly maintain a register of 300 pages. Importance of mathematics in our daily lives. Mathematics helps us understand the world and provides an effective way of building mental discipline. Maths encourages logical reasoning, critical thinking, creative thinking, problem solving ability and even effective communication skills. So this is your online class timetable. There are 2 days, Monday and Wednesday, on which I will be posting the lessons and the timing will be from 9 AM to 9:30. Rules for online classes. Be prepared beforehand for the classes according to the timetable. Make sure your internet connection is uninterrupted and smooth. Try to complete your assigned tasks, homework within the deadline, preferably the same day. Ensure to submit your assignments, projects within the assigned deadline. In case of any ambiguity, queries, feel free to contact me via Google Classroom, private comments or WhatsApp group. Students, we all are trying to overcome this pandemic which has lasted for more than an year now. Therefore, it is very important that we play our part as responsible students and citizens. I expect that you all will take your online classes seriously and regularly and will be submitting your assignments, quizzes or projects on time. Please feel free to approach me for any matter, issues or queries either on Google Classroom or WhatsApp group. Hope to see you all soon. Be safe. God bless you all. Thank you.